guys, welcome back. I'm Shadee and I stopped into the Go Vegan Grill located in Decatur, Georgia. This is Southern style cooking. This is how it looks once you're inside. Everything is freshly made and bought locally. They have a hot bar and a hot sub menu. Here's a close-up of the hot bar with the vegan meats, and on the other side is the vegetables. This is a smothered chicken meal being made. As you can see, it's topped with gravy of your choice. Doesn't that look delicious, y'all? Ooh. You, of course, get rice with it. And now for the side, you get a choice of 1, 2, depending on how many you pick. This one is the collard greens. And it looks oh so juicy and flavorful. I end up getting the strawberry lemonade, which you can see is fresh. I got the vegan fish with cabbage and candy yams. It comes with vegan tartar sauce. So let's go ahead and get into it with that first bite of the cabbage. It was so tasty. Now for these candy yams. Y'all, oh my God. Y'all see me dancing? It was so yummy. Now let's get into this vegan fish. This uses banana blossom and it was freshly made. You don't get it at the hot bar. You have to wait a little bit before it is prepared. As you can see, I dipped it in the vegan tartar sauce and y'all, this was so flavorful. Took a sip of the strawberry lemonade, and when I say fresh, y'all, it was so tasty. So they get a 10 out of 10. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.